Good morning, students. How are you all? Today, we are going to do our next GK unit, that is Unit 4, and the title is Sobriquets. We have done sobriquets in our previous class also, right? So, what are sobriquets? Sobriquets are nicknames. You all have nicknames. मम्मा आपको प्यार से कुछ तो बुलाती होंगी, सोनू, मोनू, है ना? Similarly, there are places who have been given nicknames based on the qualities or the feeling they have. Okay, so let's see them. First one is City of Golden Gate, San Francisco, USA. So this city has been given this name, City of Golden Gate, because of the Golden Gate Bridge. Okay. City of Dreaming Spires, Oxford, UK. Now look at this picture. Can you see all these peaks of building? These are called spires. So due to this beautiful spires all around the Oxford, the name is given City of Dreaming Spires. Emerald Island, Ireland. Ireland has been given the name Emerald Island because of its lush green beauty. Emerald means green. Herring Pond, Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean has been given the name Herring Pond because of these fish. It has lots of herring fish in it. Hermit Kingdom, Land of Morning Calm, Korea. Now, in Korea, the mornings are so beautiful. It feels like you're doing meditation. That's why it's called Hermit's Kingdom, Land of Morning Calm. Hermit means sadhu, okay, monk. Land of cakes, Scotland. Scotland produces a lot of varieties of cakes, so that the name has been given Land of Cakes. Land of hummingbird, Trinidad. In Trinidad, there are more than 14 species of hummingbirds are found. Their flora is very helpful for hummingbird to thrive. That's why they have so many hummingbirds. Lady of Snow, Land of Lilies, Land of Maple Syrup, Canada. Canada has been given multiple names. Lady of Snow because it looks beautiful when it snows there. Land of Lilies because it has the most number of lilies grown on their land. Land of Maple Syrup. Canada produces almost 70% of the world's maple syrup production. So it provides the highest amount of maple syrup as well. Land of Golden Fleece, Land of Kangaroo, Australia. Australia is called Land of Kangaroo because they have so many kangaroos. And it's called Golden Fleece. Fleece is a material which is made by wool. And Australia has sheep farming, largest sheep farming in the world, and that's why the name Golden Fleece. Queen of Adriatic, Venice, Italy. Italy is, Venice is one of the most beautiful place in Italy, and it's called Queen of Adriatic because around Adriatic it looks very beautiful first of all, and it does what a queen should do. It protects it. Okay, it joins those islands with mainland, and it protects those islands from enemies. Roof of the world, Pamir, Tibet. Pamir Plateau, have you heard? Pamir's Plateau is known as roof of the world because it's like the highest point on the world map, and it is flat. Sick man of Europe, Turkey. Turkey has been named sick man of Europe because of the financial problems it is facing. White city, Belgrade. Belgrade is called White City. In fact, the name Belgrade itself means White City because from the riverside, the fortress of the city looked white. Sorrow of China, Yellow River, Huang Ho. Look at that yellow orange thing. That is the river called Huang Ho of China. It looks yellow, that's why its name is yellow. It is also called Sorrow of China because whenever there is flood in this river, it becomes very destructive and it causes a lot of destruction. Breadbasket of the world, Paris of North America. The Paris means grassland. Okay, so Paris of North America is very fertile, and it is called breadbasket of the world because it produces the largest amount of wheat there. Sugar bowl of the world. Cuba produces the largest amount of sugar in the world. That's why it's called sugar bowl of the world. Venice of North, Stockholm, Sweden. The Stockholm city is as beautiful as Venice, so it is called Venice of North. The Sea of Mountains, British Columbia. Now look at this picture. It looks like these mountains are never going to end. It feels like a sea. Okay, that's why it's called Sea of Mountains. Spice Island of West, Grenada. Grenada is known as Spice Island of West because of its mass production of mace, nutmeg, and other spices. And last but not the least, Spice Garden of India, Kerala. Kerala is known as Spice Garden of India because most number of spices are produced there. Okay, now go through your chapter, read the chapter, and do the exercise, test yourself exercise given in the book. Okay, take care.